back to my morning report analysis videos on Tuesday 27th of September with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hazard Markets. Let's look at cable. And we've seen basically this continuation of the cable run lower, the downtrend over the last 3 weeks. Lower highs, low lows. And I still think it's sort of moving towards a retest of these sort of the medium term lows. 27.96 and also 28.63, the two lows of July and August respectively. What we have seen throughout this sort of run lower are these sort of strong bear candles that basically have done the majority of the decline, and then subsequently followed by sort of consolidation candles really. And we saw this sort of strong bear candle on Friday last week, and it's just consolidated a bit yesterday, consolidating a bit today, sort of waiting for the sort of near-term momentum to unwind, I suppose you'd argue. The hourly chart will show that a little bit better, whereby you had this sort of move into oversold on the hourly RSI, and it's unwound that move back towards 60. I think you'd say at 60, that's looking to be a pretty decent chance to sell, because that seems to be around about 50-60 where the hourly RSI has sort of tailed over in the last sort of few weeks. Yes, you occasionally get the stronger rally, but nothing too significant, nothing that's broken this downtrend. And you'd argue that there is a resistance coming in place around about 30 big figure. Again, I mean, even today in the last sort of hour or so, 30 big figure coming in, 30.08, but generally 30 big figure you'd say is a bit of a near-term level to sort of work with. Up towards 30.60 initially. 31.20 is this reaction high here that we saw, but to be honest, 30.60 is the pivot on the medium term range. As you can see here, 30.60 consistently comes in, and again we're trading underneath that, so you're basically negative within the range, and the sort of momentum indicators all reflect that really. Sort of RSI falling back below 40 on the daily, MACD lines falling, stochastics falling. It's all pretty much points towards further decline. So any sort of rebound you get onto cable, I think, is a selling opportunity. And already we've now seen this sort of these MACD lines unwinding, ready to cross lower. The stochastics are already falling away. I think you're seeing the next opportunity to sell around about now. So retest of the lows, 29.12 I think it is. Which is 29.12, which was Friday's low, and I think you're going to get a retest of that in due course. Subsequently, probably as a further drift towards these range lows on the medium term basis. So, with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.